Okay, video 3 for info boards. You've already got your board size created. You've got some images you're ready to place. Now we're going to show you how to upload those. So in Canva, over here with your design open, we want to upload. So click that little button. We're going to upload files. For me, those are sitting in my downloads folder. So I'm just going to highlight all of these and click upload. And then you'll notice that they upload over here on the left. And then they just become part of the options, and those are going to stick around for a while. You can see I've got some other things that I've had in there for a little bit of time. So once these are set, now to place them, I can just click on it. So I'm going to add Miss Sweeney. Boom, I clicked on it. There she is. I'm resizing that down just a little bit. Let's add Mr. Jewell. There he is. Similarly, and notice as I move that around, the line up at the top, there's kind of a dotted red line there that says, okay, that's even there, and I'm going to do the same here. So those two are even. And now, you know what, though? That doesn't have a border. I'm going to add a border. So notice I just highlighted that up at the top here. I'm going to say that. And now that looks even, whereas before it was just kind of hanging out there, the white on white border. So that looks better. Let's add some books. Same thing. I'm going to click, and notice these are fairly large. So we're just going to resize all the way around some books that Mr. Jewell and Miss Sweeney might enjoy, reading at the debate tournaments with all of their spare time while running around doing debate coach things. Here's the one. Oh, I already put that one in. So I accidentally added that, so I'm just going to hit delete. Away it goes. A good dragon book. Looking forward to that in March when that comes out. And, oh, that's what I've got. Blood Moon. A good vampire book set in Kansas City. Love all that. Now, aesthetically, that's not great. It's something, but it's a start. It kind of is an example. And notice again, it's giving me red lines on the left and on the bottom saying those are lined up. I'm going to kind of do the same here. So we're all kind of paired up, lined up. And now you can add some titles. So text. Notice it says the text box over here on the left. Add a heading. All-Star Readers. Yay. And then I'm going to move that up. Actually, I just want that to move. There we go. Let's make this a color. So notice it also then gives me options. Once I've double-clicked that text, here are some colors out of Miss Sweeney's poster. Here are some out of Mr. Jewell's poster. Here are some from the book covers. I'm going to go with Bronco Crimson. Next video, I'll show you how to do a couple more things, but that gets you at least set. And then once you have everything set, I will show you in another video how easy it is to get this ready to send to the poster printer.